Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Deutsch Decode with Yashvi. This is Yashvi Chaurasia and today you are in Lection 5, that is lesson 5, and we are learning Begrüßung, that's greeting. The pronunciation for greeting is Begrüßung. So let's begin. Hello, hello, it's hello. Wie geht's, it's how's you in an informal way. If you want to ask how are you doing, wie geht's is there, it's an informal way of saying how are you doing. If you ask wie geht's es Ihnen, it's the formal way of saying how are you doing. And if you want to revert I am good, then you would say es geht mir gut. It means I am good. Or I am very good, then es geht mir sehr gut. Or es geht mir super or prima. Super it's superb, prima it's great. Nicht gut is not good, nicht is not. So lala it's I'm okay or dicey dicey. Tschüss, it means bye, but it is in an informal way. Auf Wiedersehen, it's formal bye, it means see you again or see you later. Auf Wiederhören, it's hear from you again or hear from you later on. Danke, it's thanks. Danke schön, it's thank you very much. Vielen Dank, it's many thanks. You can use it either way, whatever you are comfortable with. Bitte, it's please or welcome. Bitte schön, it's welcome, but it's a more polite way of saying welcome. Entschuldigung, it's excuse me or sorry, and it can be used in both formal and informal way. Es tut mir leid is I am sorry in a formal way, or else you can also say tut mir leid, it means I'm sorry, but it's an informal way of saying. Verzeihung, it also means sorry, but Verzeihung is not usually used by most of the German speakers. Gute Reise, it means happy journey. Gute Fahrt, it means safe travel. Gute Besserung, it means get well soon. Guten Appetit or Mahlzeit is enjoy your meal or have a good meal. Alles gut, it's all the best. Viel Erfolg, it's lots of success. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Again. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. It means happy birthday. Fröhlich Weihnachten. It means Merry Christmas. Fröhlich Weihnachten. Merry Christmas. Schönen guten Hochzeitstag. Schönen guten Hochzeitstag. Happy anniversary. Act auf dich. Take care of yourself. We write TC in WhatsApp to our friend. It's just like that. Act auf dich. Prost zum, it's cheers. Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. It means I'm so pleased to meet you, but it's an formal way of saying that. Informal way, if you want to say the same sentence in an informal way, it would be freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Again, pleased to meet you. Or you can just say freut mich. You can like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I'll make it sure that I reach out to each and every comment. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow my Telegram channel. Also, you can join my WhatsApp community group. Dankeschön.